guys, welcome to Shane and the Family TV. It's your girl Christopher Robinson family.
Yes, and you don't know it's your boy Keenan.
So come on in and be prepared to be entertained over your festive body.
Yeah guys, always are full of vibes. Yeah.
So when you come on in guys, remember to like, share and watch the ads. Big up yourself, Shane.
Yeah, big up Shane.
What going on to big rain, Georgia. 6 o'clock in the morning. Lightning a flash, thunder roll. Give thanks to life for the man. Right, that's it. It's a blessing. Guys, Monday morning right now. It's raining. Let that go on, like 2 hours of work time.
My wrist me live me alright, you could have hear say we did. Yo Matthew, we climbed down tree, we climbed some place, high like right at the hockey tree they say. We have to go like the wall up and maybe yard we come back round and the river down and so on we go back round. So one whole day to blood clot.
Boy, me I tell you say outside nice today. Jaja, the weather is up. Sweet out here. Alright, so you know, so me have some porridge for drink right now. Yeah. People are all about outside today. Yeah man, so I have some wood porridge, bubble pond right now. But my day I go work right now, you know. Wake up and think, give thanks for life. Yeah. So you don't know people big up on themselves in a team happy walk on. Happy, you're good. VIP big up on themselves in a YT. Don't know. Big up to right, this is it. The man out here. The weather nice, I tell you. Well dressed down right now. Dressed down, you know me, I tell you. Yeah, dressed down right now. Yep, dressed down. If I tell you. Should have thicker though. Like it well thick. Sun is hot. Already. Let me tell you. Nice day, nice day. Nice day outside. And Sabina. Still not look my way. She may be deaf or something. Outside nice, man, I tell you. Yeah, man. If you just enjoy the day. Sweet piece of day right now. The bird them a sing and thing. Alright, so some motivation after day. Like Nation Boss would have said. You know, focus, you know, do the right thing and wait for your turn for everything happen. And it now come to you so easy. Right, Nation Boss, you have to go for it, Zine. Nation Boss said that, you know, you have to go for what you want. Yeah, it not just come to you so, Zine. And money not grow up on a tree where you can just go up on a tree and pick it. You can't go pick the money. So you know what go on this now? You have to get up and go work for it. Sometimes it's hard to come out of the bed. You see me? But you have to get up out of the bed and get yourself ready and see your work time. So you don't know. So motivation of the day, you have to work for what you want. Alright? Yeah. And I just decide that. But if you have some rich family where pick up their money and give you, that difference still, you see me? Yeah. You see me? Right there, so wish you all the best, man. That I'm happy for you. But I work for mine, you see me? Been working for mine hard since I was at the age of 16. Yeah. Alright, so I know what is work and hard working. And how to work for mine. You understand? You dig? Yeah, so dig that. Alright, that's so outside nice, the window them down. Drinking some porridge. Heading to work. So I talk about you have to work. See it there? Have to work. See it there? The only way. Yeah, man. Right, that's all. I think I lie, me, I tell you. So, a real talk. So remember, stay positive and do the right thing too. You know what I mean? Walk away from trouble if you can. But remember, like I always say, if you have to defend yourself, you have to defend yourself. You know what I mean? Right there, so. Yeah, man. So, when I reach at work, I'm going to show now I go on. Yeah, I'm going to vlog one of my job and thing. And show now how I do it out there, you see me? Yeah. Show now how I do it out there. Yeah. Alright, so guess what? Soon come back, alright? Right, that's up. Drill some hole right now. Right there, so yeah. I got it, bro. It's a thick wall. Very thick wall. Alright, so after I strap this,
you still going down the street?
after I
No,
strap
right?
it up, I'll make the connection, put the receptacles, and then that's it. Verizon get to plug their equipment in, and
So
we are Rambo. Rambo mean action, you know, so you don't know. We ain't playing. Big up on yourself. Alright, put these straps on, and that's it. Boom, boom, boom. Right around, and we're almost there, almost finished. Alright guys, so putting on this connector. That's the BX connector. And trying to put this box on. And I'm almost there.
So I'm getting the lock nut. Put the lock nut on, and after that, perfect. Alright, so I've got the lock nut. That's it.
Right here, right?
Almost finished.
Right here, right? Yeah. And that door is open? Yeah.
Alright, so I'm almost there, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna screw this box up and then that's it for me. Put the next screw in it. Make it strong. I'm gonna make the connections right now. Trying to get all right. Boom, boom. Get this receptacle. We're going to put the receptacle on right now. And almost there. Alright guys, almost there. Thanks for watching, and this is what I do. I'm an electrician. This is what I do for a living. Yeah man. Alright, this is trying to get this outlet up and running for Verizon right now. Like I said before, so they can plug their equipment in it. Internet up and running soon. Okay, so now we're gonna put some tape around it to prevent it from touching the box and ground out, because the boxes are ground as well, so we don't need that to happen. So we put a little tape to prevent that from happening. So now we're going to screw the receptacle inside this box here. Yeah. As you can see, I'm almost finished. Alright. Thanks for watching. And please remember to comment your best comment. Alright, so I'm gonna get a cover now. I'm gonna change the screw gun tip to a flathead from a Phillips. And now, here we go. The cover. I'm gonna put the screw in. Nice and easy. Just like that. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna make the connections right now. I'm gonna show you that too. Alright, wait for it. Alright, so as you can see, I'm making the connections right now. Gotta strip the wire. Yeah, this is what I do, man. Alright, so I'm gonna tighten up this lock nut a little bit. Okay. So now I'm gonna make the connections. I'm gonna get this off. Yeah. Soon talk to you. I'll talk to you soon. Give me a second. Yeah, so I'm on the phone, 1 second. Trying to make this splice here. So that's what I do, you know? That's what I do, guys. That's what I do best. So it's kind of hot, but I'm still here rocking it. Yeah. All right, so right? Do the same thing. Join back the wire. Now we're going to make a splice. This is the neutral. That's the neutral. That's the neutral there. This is the hot wire, the power. We're going to splice that right there. Make that connection right there. And then that's it. So catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, tell a friend. All right, peace. All right, so dress these wires right now. Put that here and see. All set, finish, guys. Finish. Just gotta put the cover back. And that, put the cover. Yeah. That's it. There's no way to screw it up. That's how it is before. Alright guys, so we're gonna show you guys a full clip of what I do. Alright guys, so this is what I just did. That's part of my electrical work all around right there, and now Verizon got power. That's it.
Alright, I want to big up King Shane and the family. Team Happy that and the VIP group. You know, say Rick from Rick and Rum TV. I said, Rum, job for your part.
Alright guys, you know, say Rum from Rick and Rum TV. Make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe to King Shane and the family TV. Yeah guys.
Everything's ever up now. King Benji. Oh, yo Alio. Everything's ever up now. Everything's ever up now. Oh, mommy, everything's ever up now.